Hello, my name is Tang from OpenText LoadRunner support team, and today I'm going to show you how to execute LoadRunner Enterprise tests using Jenkins. First, we need to ensure that we already have a Jenkins installed and configured in our system. We will also need the LoadRunner Enterprise plugin for Jenkins installed here. To download the plugin, go to Manage Jenkins, Plugin, Available Plugin, and search for the plugin name. In my case, I have already installed the plugin, so we can search for the name in here. OpenText Application Automation Tool. Now that the plugin is installed, we need to create a new Jenkins job or using an existing one. I will create a new job here, name it test. The job will be a freestyle project. Hit OK. In the job configuration, we need to add a build step for LoadRunner Enterprise test. Click on build step, add build step, execute performance test using LoadRunner Enterprise. In the LoadRunner Enterprise test build step, we have many details that we need to fill in order for Jenkins to connect to LoadRunner Enterprise and execute it. This includes the LI server name, credential, domain, project, and test ID. Let's go back to LI to get our test there. Here I already have a test named ABC. The ID is 176. I will use this test to demonstrate the integration. Let's go back to Jenkins. If you want to add some description, you can add it. I will add this at the integration Jenkins LoadRunner Enterprise. The LIE server name. If you read this here, you can see that LIE server name can either be the IP address or the host name. In this case of mine, I will use the IP address. Because I don't use HTTPS protocol for LoadRunner, so I will leave this blank. I will also leave the option use token for authentication blank because I am using normal authentication. However, if you are using SSO to connect to LIE, you will need to specify a token for authentication and choose this option. For LIE credential, we need a credential to log into LIE to run tests. In here, I have already created a credential named admin. But if this is your first time creating a credential, click on Add, Jenkins. Provide the username and password you use to log into LIE. Add, and you have the credential. The domain is default. Project is test. The test ID is 176. You can either manually select a test instance, or you can let Jenkins automatically select existing or create new if none exists. The test here have already a test instance assigned named NT, so we can choose this option. I don't use local proxy, so I leave this blank. For the post-run action, you can either collect result, or collect and analyze result, or do not collect. I would choose the collect result only. I will also not choosing this and leave it as default. That's all for the build step. However, there's one thing we need to talk about. In the build step, there's a note said that don't forget to enable the publish OpenText result option in the post build action section so that the test results are published. Let's do it. Click on Add Post View Action. Publish OpenText result. I will archive test report for failed tests only. Now, apply and save our change. We'll now run the Jenkins job. Okay, the Jenkins job is being executed. The LoadRunner Enterprise test will be executed as part of the job as well. To monitor, click on the name of the run. Console output. You can see that the run ID 192 is running. Let's go back to LoadRunner Enterprise dashboard. The test ABC with the test ID 192 is running right now. We were able to execute a test successfully. Once the job is complete, you can review the result directly in Jenkins or in LoadRunner Enterprise. To speed up the process, I will abort the test one. As you can see, the test is stopped. There's no result XML file provided. With the LoadRunner Enterprise, you can see that the state of the test is stopping. This integration brings a new level of efficiency and automation to our load testing process. This integration really enabling us to deliver high-quality software faster than ever before. Thank you all for watching.